Okay guys, so this is the last experiment. You may get this experiment. We have 4 experiments. This experiment is acid-base titration. Acid-base titration. So in this acid-base titration, first of all, I want to show you the apparatus we will use in this experiment. We have beakers. We have conical flask. This is conical flask. Okay, we have 2 or 3 conical flasks. And we have pipette. This is called pipette, 20 ml pipette. And then we have a pipette filler, and then the last thing is about burette. This is called burette. This one, the one in the clamp, is called burette. So stand and clamp is already there. So what we are going to do, what is the objective of this experiment? So the objective of this experiment to find the unknown concentration of a solution. So we will be given a solution. Suppose we have 2 solutions here. One is, this is base, this one, which is B. In the solution, the concentration is not known, unknown. We have to find the concentration of this solution. And this is acid solution, which is HCl. The solution concentration is given 0.05 molar. This is the molarity of acid solution. So what we are going to do, we will use the molarity of this solution acid to find the molarity of this solution with the help of, with the process of titration. So what we are going to do in this process, we should know carefully that the base solution, which is a standard one, we should take in the burette one. This is a solution we should take in the burette, base solution in the burette. But the burette is, we know that somebody used it, somebody else used it for some other purposes. So we have to wash it out first and to clean it or rinse it before starting our experiment. So we have to take this solution, which is base solution. We should take it into the burette. With the help of this one, make sure that this stop position, this is actually, we can open it like this open position. When you cross it like this is stop position. Make sure it is in the stop position. Then we have to add a little bit of base solution so that we want to wash it with the same solution. So now we added a little bit of base solution. We have a beaker, this is for washing purposes. We want to remove this base solution. So to wash anything which is impurity, which is inside, we want to wash it. Yeah, we washed it. We will wait until it's completely removed, and then we will fill this completely filled with the same solution. Make sure again the base solution, which is here, you should take into the burette. Now it's completely moved out. Now we want to know, so we will fill this burette with the base solution, with the same solution, the one we rinsed already, about 0. This about 0. This is 50 ml burette. So now we will bring it down to 0 here. If you can see this, the line, the 0 starts from here. This is the 0 starts from here. You can see. So this is 0 position. So we should go and then remove some solution to make it 0. Look at this. We will open the stopcock down, and then the solution will be going down. When it reaches to 0, I will stop it. Now this will be my start point, we call initial volume. So initial volume, now my base solution is ready. Whatever acid solution, which is the known one, 0.05 solution, I should take acid solution first into the beaker. This is the beaker. And then from here I will take, with the help of pipette, 20 ml in each of the conical flasks. So let's see how to use this. This is pipette, and this is pipette filler. We should not push it too hard. We should hold with 2 hands like this. Okay. So now we will scroll it. When we scroll it down, it will take the volume. When we reverse it, it will deliver the solution. What we are going to do, we have to take, look at this, how we take it. Take the solution. It will taking the solution. You can see in the video. Look at this. We have 20 ml. Let's see, there's a line here, we call it mark. So when it reaches the mark, we should stop taking it anymore. Now this is the mark here. You can see the mark is here, right here. So we will transfer it after we take 20 ml. Let's see. 20 ml, we'll take it, and then we will transfer it to the conical flask, the first one. Make sure that all the apparatus there wash with distilled water before starting your experiment. So we will deliver it 20 ml. We will not go anywhere. So there is another conical flask. So we'll use to take another conical 20 ml in another conical flask here. You can see this is 20 ml, it's ready. This is 20 ml. Now I will bring another one here. So let's see, let's take 20 ml in another flask. You will be given 3 flasks, conical flasks. You have to add 20 ml in each one before starting it. So this is 20 ml to the mark. Transfer it slowly. So when it's been transferred completely, then we will proceed further. Okay, it's been delivered completely. We have 2 flasks. If you have 3 flasks, you can have 3 different conical flasks. You will repeat the experiment 3 times. Now we will remove anything from my side, so that now the main thing is, very important one is indicator, because this solution, if you can see, this is colorless. The solution in the burette is also colorless. So whenever the reaction has been completed, we don't know what happens actually. For this purpose, we use always indicator. The name is phenolphthalein indicator. So what we do actually, this is our acid solution, 20 ml acid solution, this one. So we have to add to the conical flask 2 drops of indicator. So do you see any color change? No. So that's why we say that this indicator, phenolphthalein indicator, does not show any color with acid solution. We call it is colorless. Now whereas another flask we will do the same. Don't forget to add indicator. If you forget to add indicator, means you did not add any indicator, you will not see any color change. So we will mix it. Now our process is ready. We will go for the titration. It's a little bit down, we will make it a little bit up to adjust it. You can adjust by pushing this one. Look at this. This is my hand and this is my thumb with the left hand. Look at this. I'm pushing it. When I push it, it goes down. And that's why we can easily move it up and down like this. Push a little bit and move it up, down. So now bring it a little bit down here. That's it. This is the best position here. Now we can start our titration. So when we're adding base, this is base again. Remember, this is base here and this is acid solution. We will add base to acid. How much acid we took? 20 ml. We should know. Here is this one. There's a table here. Molarity of acid, we know it. This is the one. 0.005. Volume VA, volume of acid ml, we know it is 20 ml because we took 20 ml with the help of this pipette. Okay, and then MB, molarity of base, we don't know here. But how much volume, we don't know. When we see a color change, this would be the volume of base. Let's see. We start the titration. We will open it carefully, dropwise. Look at this. We'll add dropwise slowly, and then I will swirl it or I will shake it. You can see. Now I will shake it like this. You can see a little bit color change, but this color change actually, you can see here, if the background is white, you can see it clearly. Look at this. Now you can see here, if I open it again, we started from 0. Make sure that we started from 0, means initial volume is 0. You can see a pink color, but when I shake it, the pink color disappears. You can see here, the pink color is there, but it disappears. It means the reaction is not completed yet. It will take more time, more drops of base from the burette to the acid. So I can make it a little bit faster, but not too much faster. You cannot control it. Look at this. The color is there. When I shake it, it disappears. So look at this. You can see it disappears again after shaking it. That's why shaking is so important. When we get a permanent pink color, we will stop titration, means we'll stop adding the volume from the. Now you can see this is a pink color. This is a pink color. So this is our end point. We'll find the volume here. How much volume is there here? It is around 4.5. It is 4.4 or 4.5. You can see here. This is 4.5 or 6, I think. So whatever the volume is, this is your volume for the first. You can see it's 4.6 or 4.5. Okay. Now what you are going to do, you have to remove this one and record the final reading, VF. So now you finish this one, go for the second conical flask, because you have to repeat this experiment at least 3 times, and you will take the average volume of the base. Now we'll put it there. We start from here, 4.5, you know it already. Let's start the titration again. a little bit faster because I know the volume, but the main thing is I should look at the color change, not the volume, because I will stop the titration when I see the color change, permanent color change. So let's look, you can see here it's changing to the pink, but it disappears. Now one time we'll reach the color will be permanently pink. You can see now it's getting pink. That's it. You can see the pink color. This is your endpoint. We did for the two first, we started from 0 here, if you remember, and then we ended 4.5. Next, we start from 4.5 and then we ended 9, around 9.1. So then you will have to take the average of this volume, suppose 4.5 plus again 4.5 divided by 2, you get the average volume. When you get the average volume, you can see here, this will be your VB. You can see here, VA, we know it is 20 ml. This is the volume of acid we taken already. MA is the molarity of acid, we know it is 0.005, only 0.05. And MB we don't know, but VB, it is the average volume. VB from the experiment, from the burette, what is the average volume from burette? And then you will use the formula which is in your exam copy. You will have a formula for this one. You put the value in the formula, you will find the molarity of the unknown solution, which is here base. Thank you.